If you want to add a photo to a contact on Google Pixel 11, then you can open the phone app. Next, we want to go to View Contacts here on the right side, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to Contacts here in this place. Once you open the list of contacts, choose the contact for which you want to set up a picture. Tap on this pen here in the upper right corner, and then you should be able to tap on the picture section here in this place. Now we have a couple of different options. You can open the camera and take a picture right now and then set it as the contact picture. You can also just open the gallery and choose a picture from there. You can go to Google Photos. You can also use a monogram or one of these illustrations. So in my case, I'm just going to open the gallery, and let's say I'm going to set up this picture over here. So we can select it and tap on Done. You can also zoom in and zoom out and adjust the picture. You can move it up and down or left and right as well. You can also rotate the picture in case it is necessary and tap on the Choose at the bottom of the screen in order to set it up. And of course, remember to tap on Save in the upper right corner. There we go, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.